Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Heat. It's the silent performance killer in every solar farm. While sunlight powers your panels, excess heat drains their efficiency, cutting voltage and output. Temperature sensors are your plant's built-in thermometers. They monitor every degree of change, protecting your panels, predicting performance loss, and helping you act before it's too late. Solar panels love sunlight, but not heat. Every degree above their rated temperature decreases voltage, typically by 0.4 to 0.5% per degree Celsius for crystalline silicon modules. At 25 degrees Celsius, a panel may perform at its peak, but when surface temperatures hit 65 degrees on a hot summer afternoon, power can drop by 15 to 20%. That's why tracking temperature isn't optional, it's essential.
Panel heat is like hidden friction. You don't see it, but it constantly eats away at your efficiency.
A solar plant uses two key temperature measurements: module temperature and ambient temperature. Module sensors measure heat directly on the panel's surface, while ambient sensors capture the surrounding air temperature. The difference between these two values tells you how efficiently your panels are dissipating heat. If module temperatures rise too far above ambient, it signals poor ventilation, excessive irradiance, or even system faults. Modern plants use RTDs, thermistors, or thermocouples, each suited for different climates and budgets. RTDs provide high precision for utility-scale monitoring, while thermistors are compact and affordable for distributed systems. So, what exactly happens when panels heat up? Well, high temperature increases internal resistance and lowers the open circuit voltage. This means, less electrical energy leaves the cell for the same sunlight input. This relationship is defined by the temperature coefficient, a key parameter in every module datasheet. For example, a module with a minus 0.45% per degree Celsius coefficient loses nearly 5% efficiency for just a 10 degrees Celsius rise. Over time, sustained high temperatures also accelerate material degradation, from solder fatigue to delamination, reducing lifespan. Temperature sensors don't just observe, they enable action. When readings exceed safe thresholds, automated systems can trigger alerts, adjust inverter settings, or activate cooling measures. Some plants integrate temperature data with SCADA systems to dynamically control panel cleaning schedules, optimize inverter loads, or adjust tracker angles to reduce thermal buildup.
Our site uses temperature-driven automation. When panels hit 60 degrees Celsius, the system activates reflective cleaning and reduces DC loading, cutting losses instantly.
Continuous temperature tracking also supports predictive maintenance. Abnormal heat patterns can reveal electrical imbalances, inverter faults, or hotspot formation long before visible damage appears. By analyzing thermal profiles, operators can schedule maintenance only where it's needed. Reducing downtime in operations and maintenance costs.
Temperature sensors give us time to act. We can spot a failing panel early and replace it before it causes string-level losses.
In one 20-megawatt solar farm in Gujarat, operators implemented continuous temperature monitoring across 10,000 modules. By adjusting cleaning schedules and inverter load based on real-time temperature data, they reduced overheating events by 30%. The result? A 10% extension in panel lifespan and a 3.2% increase in annual energy yield, all from simple sensor-driven decisions.
Once we started watching the data closely, the panel started performing consistently, even during extreme summer peaks.
The future of solar performance lies in artificial intelligence and Internet of Things integration. AI algorithms analyze temperature data to predict heat spikes and automatically schedule cooling, inverter balancing, or shading adjustments. Combined with IoT networks, every panel becomes an intelligent node, communicating temperature, power, and performance data for a truly self-optimizing solar field. Temperature sensors are more than safety tools, they're performance guardians. They help you keep your panels cool, efficient, and reliable for years to come. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.